Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson, the #1 educator in the asset recovery business. Today, guys, I have a great video in store. I am going to break down something that a lot of people have been asking. They want to know, how do we check to see if a claim has been filed? Or before we get into that, guys, go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. You guys already know that I'm doing this content for you guys so you can dominate in this industry. So the reason why a lot of people want to know if a claim has been filed or not, because they want to actually pursue a claim without wasting their time, which I fully respect, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys some tips and show you exactly where you need to locate this important information. So if we want to figure out if a claim has been filed, this is going to depend on the county. All right, so each state, each county, they're going to host their information in different areas. So I'm going to give you guys some fundamentals and you can apply that to the area that you're working. First, we're going to start with tax deed. If we're working in a tax deed in which the property has sold due to delinquent taxes, then that means that there's going to be a surplus that is remaining from the tax sale. If we want to check to see if a claim has been filed, we want to see if that county has a tax deed portal. For example, if you work in Florida, a lot of counties use Real TDM, which is Real Tax Deed Management, or some counties will have their own tax deed portal, like Charlotte County, for example, or Duval or Orange County. And on this portal, they're actually going to show the surplus funds remaining. They're going to show the notice of surplus funds letter. They're going to show if a claim has been filed. It'll be uploaded there. They'll also give you the property information report, owners and encumbrance report, so you can check and see if there's liens. So that means this is very transparent. So Florida's super transparent. We're able to see, hey, has a claim been filed? Boom, we can check that out. Then we have states like Georgia, for example. So Georgia, for any tax sales that are hosted by a law firm called Wiseman Law, they're going to give you a case number associated with this, and we can actually go to Georgia Peach Courts. We can put in that case number and we can check to see if a claim has been filed. If we're working on a tax sale in which is hosted by the county, then they don't have a portal. We won't be able to see that, but here's what we can do. We can call the county, we can email the county, and we can reference their excess proceeds list, highlight that name, send it over to them, and ask them if a claim has been submitted. Guys, so unfortunately, if a county does not have a tax deed portal, or if they don't have a case number that you can go in and search, you are going to have to email them to find out or call them to find out. You can also call the client and ask them if they have already received their funds. Now, if we're working mortgage foreclosures from a judicial sale from the county, how we can check to see if a claim has been filed is going to be reviewing the county docket, the case docket specific to that actual civil foreclosure. So if there's a foreclosure handled by the county, this is a judicial sale. That means that this is a civil lawsuit. We can take that case number, we can go in on the county's case search, we can put in that case number, and now we can see the series of events in the doc. We're looking for the sale confirmation, we're looking for the certificate of disbursements, then we are looking to see if a claim has been filed. We're looking for a motion, we're looking for an appearance, we're looking for items like that. That's how we can check it on the judicial side. If we're on the non-judicial side, unfortunately, guys, non-judicial is going to be hosted by a trustee, which is a third party that will handle the funds and the foreclosure. You really don't have a way of checking to see if a claim has been filed, but what you can do is call the client and ask them, and you can also email the trustee and ask them. So those are 3 ways that we can check to see if a claim has been filed. My advice, hop on the phone, call the client if you do not know. If the county has a tax deed portal, check it out. If it's a judicial sale, check it out. If it's non-judicial, guys, we're gonna have to mark it. We're gonna have to figure out. It's a part of the game. So hopefully this video helped you guys. Go out there, check to see if claims have been filed. Most importantly, market your clients, help them get that money. If you found this video useful, guys, go ahead and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. You know that I'm doing this content for you. All right, if you want to learn step by step exactly how to do this business and learn from somebody that is still actively doing this business, go ahead, hit the link in the description. You guys will see my course there. You can use the code TAKEACTION, all one word. You'll receive $100 off, and I'm looking forward to helping you out.